Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang.
Hey, what am I dealing with? Lex to the complex representing for dancehall bomb. Oh damn, dancehall bomb. One to them, baddest thing in a dancehall.
Yeah man people, you don't know now. The Maroon Emperor now. 7-star Horace Lewis, LB, representing for dancehall bomb. You know the number one in our stand. Surfer, ever in demand, dancehall bomb.
Alisa Epa represent for dancehall bomb. Hear me a stand a dancehall bomb, it's sticky pan them.
Greetings, Earthlings. Welcome to another episode of Dancehall Bomb. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now, in today's episode, we have a few topics to discuss, a few articles to review, a few voice notes to review. These are the stories. Ladies and gentlemen, members of the Dancehall Bomb fraternity, on today's episode of Dancehall Bomb, I have a few clips here from Ghetto Splash, an event that was kept last night. People, dancehall patrons came out in numbers to watch Bounty Killer, BeenieMan, Baby Cham, and Kiprich perform, people, as it was a great performance. I'm going to share a few clips with you here, guys. Check it out.
Hey yo, yellow, dancehall bomb, bang. Put them, slap way, bullet. No man no fi beg more than girl. Can girl get back this? Well, push all and back him and no want them. Pass me then so they can get it. Them all start come and say to me so well. Watch up, murder them blood clot. Tell them that when you're here. Me say go back home from block with your fat scat. Left. Well, all out no business, everybody dead. Ready for a mouth for me not to say. Left. Them of the face and them of the figure. Remind me of the men and the legs. He have this girl, would be my pleasure, not so much as I go living in my treasure. All them are ride me nature. Yeah. Pull.
Bad man monster the boy.
Me brother.
When we are born party boy, we not drink that tablet. We are party one the other boy, they not tablet. What are the minutes?
Turn him up.
We are born pussy one, we not
Turn up the auntie.
Choice of the phone, out one you. Shoot it on. Mark on it. One shot there. Well, if I 41 not like it. If I 41 not like it. If I 41 not like it. Mama talk to them, man. I see they coming from afar, perpetrating war, no matter who they are. God log ya, girl, you want it comfortable, you cute man a pressure them get. One so hands up a property, this is not monopoly. Only my girl and she alone can be a. Somebody sing memories on. Brother, sorry that. Let me see everybody wait for no one now here, so. Hey boy, stop it, now you know that.
So if you go there, sir, well, you need to roll in a suspect. See the money that's how they get the experience. See me what they say to me treatment. Good food, yo.
Where they? What about going them war? Them say war, them a bring tell them that's not clever. Since a war done forever. Me now war, me want say, give me the girl, let me the wickedest slap. The kind of girl on a fill of up, she man. What you say? Wait, girl from your band, you know walk with no more love. When you come out that street, you're always smelling. Come here, I'm telling you when I go. Hush! A whole dog like me.
Yo.
And everybody know me. Believe you me name is Shinko Tandam. Oh, many girls get slapped to money. Many. Oh, many girls get booked up blood money.
Say for many. Watch up. Tell the girl them, me no play stocky. Tell me some two time you more than. One party gonna see your girl at Kentucky. Everywhere me go the girl them.
Hush. Me there a full joy myself from night. Me never plan to come on the stage yet. But then Bounty Killer and Baby Cham, I may say one more beanie to add to it. So, me just add myself to it. Every man in here, we love a man, your business. Everybody else love pum pum wave your hands in the ear and sing for me. Banana fuck, banana tag, banana banana, banana bag, banana. Me no house, me no land, me no care. Me love me God, and me no say power.
Oh man, we enjoy fire burner. A whole man we employ fire. Me say could have been me daddy from a whatever. Could have been me mother from a daddy. Could have been me uncle from the chatter man.
Me can't finish. Me can't finish, please. Me not go run, me not go hide, me not go flee. Me not go thief, me not go turn a refugee. Me not go afraid of you, or you feel afraid of me. Come on, we take on you. Me not. Alright, hear me now. Since I'm sitting in the groove there, me going to go. Okay. From your love man, well like a and let. No man, no fear of another man in him. Shut up them! Okay! Tell them I will never go tell them again. Come here now. You are not my friend. We can't talk to them. We can't talk to them. Tell them a woman we are defend. Lost to the charges in a better of the earth. And like you're living right, get the Benjamin time. We are a rough cut. Tell them this, watch it. Breaker. Because when we dying, I am no faker. Tell them fools crying, back to their maker. Mother efforts trying to be a cheater. They need to know this with the message people by the maker. We have a time and pass around and be dedicated. Hush! 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 You want a proper fix? You want to get your kicks? You want the cheese sticks? You want the remix? Sing from the other. Just a minute. But all she would say that. All she would say that. Tell her she is a rebel. So me give her some. Whoa, I don't love it. What the original be able to fund them? They put up. Y'all up here called my home and I know what I'm about to say. Aye. Y'all want home? Aye. I'm a number girl. Aye, come here. In this time of need and loneliness. What the boy? Them need a body. In this time of need and loneliness, I want to do man them one. The girl them need. Let me see everybody wave for one now, yes sir. Hey! Stop your head, what you prefer. She want a man to make you fly like. She want a real man, she don't want none. She want a...
Man has enough father. Jam your fire mind there quick and fast now. Quick and fast now. One to the baboon, ya man, the cartoon, ya man. Baboon, ya man. Female Superman, over there so. When me nice a zombie go on. Penny na me brain, put in a pan, shoot me is a family. Fatter than the post me a pan, me tell like I'm no one to try in a me and just when me nice a zombie go on. When me nice a zombie go on. Penny na me brain. Yo, big up Bugle, big up Beanie. Hey, killer, me can't tell them something. Yo, Juice Land. Yo, everybody know. Tell me, yeah, cheap up like the clock and me. Me nah live to please nobody. If I not pick me, nah go. Money make me happy. Left for me. Left for me.
One job. Never let no problems get shut out. Gotta stay focused and know you go. Don't sit so play. There's a program. Chill out around town. Do what we do, so we stay alive. How we sell what we sell, so we have it up high. How we tired of them part off. Fed up and bone and divide. Anytime we hungry again, them a go. We nice. We send police out there and send them a cry. Cham, me brother.
Ladies, sure. Who do know say me have a Cham up and tell her no. Go long back and broke out and us get tell her no. But your front and get by the color, tell her no. Pow. Question, whoa, tell us you call my home and I blow up my phone. Whoa, a which gal up the boom. Some is a proper gal, no good them fit. Hush. Remember me DJ for any rhythm, you know. A old dog like me. And everybody know me. Believe you. Hush. Everybody sing for me. From me see a girl will look good.
Come in and leave over shot too. Enough girl me I got pass through. I mean I hear about the old school. X-rated that.
Sing it.
Come in and ride the wood long and take that away. But if fella can she give me that straight. But
I can't talk. Some of you know. Give them the dance. What's the... Every day you jump up. From you I'm on a party wall. Can I get up? Let me get up. For all me and do. And all the guys I'm on them off and big them up too. Party you know what you can do. From you I'm on a party wall. Can I get up?
seriously, you really bring me this up?
I'm my time, Beanie. Well, I can't believe how dirty man get some wood. Can't believe some rasta man that don't pass you wood. A little to take a them get so cool.
I can't believe
it. You know me can't believe
you
it.
think me no know the pussy wall them? See them alive, Papa that sing them. Bad man a cut and go choker.
A real bad man no snitch. But now we quit for the big winner. Hey, who don't like your argument? Slide out, man. I make we do that.
Can't finish my song, please.
Wanna?
Stop. Tell them say me now watch the face. Can't be done try the case. Tell them. Tell them say we run the place. A machine pan the base and me a done millionaire pan me. Tell them boy stop wash me clothes. Stop wash me clothes. Kind. And I go with the bucket. I go tell them say me don't know the book. See them all.
But can I say something? Can I say something? Can I say something?
What?
It's a survival story. True ghetto story. This is my every ghetto youth in a dish. True up son of man. Well, I remember those days when it was my.
And don't stop it. Don't stop the story. One drop. What house born as a sufferer, group as a sufferer, strike as a sufferer, survive as a every single as a sufferer, to make it as a sufferer. Ghetto Splash, from the streets of Jamaica, coming special delivery.
Ooh. Hush, hush, hush. Everybody have an ambition, we have no one now here, sir. We have no one, sir. Well, I've never bust a chain, I'ma never pick a pocket. Never see a old man bag and try grab it. Everything me have, know me work hard for it. Move the man. Every day them see me out the road and me a blast. Man, me wanna lick a so me have me wanna. Girl them sexy and me clothes them such. Sound like me style teller. Hey! Them a watch everything and we are here and I see the hard work. Hey! Everybody when a bad man, me soon wave for that. Choose that. From here on earth.
Moses, we can't say something. Can I talk? Rough cut one drop there, but that's why you're on the clear. We got the thing them out of luck now. Me squeeze 7 and the one of them I don't know. We have a leap extra, cause we not broke now.
This a survival story.
I that you want say.
True ghetto story.
I that you want say.
This is my story.
I that you want say.
Real ghetto story.
I that you want say. Me want know. None of them fussy than a bad like way. None of them fussy than a tough.
Oh, no, tell my goal in a hand to all this. Look into my eyes.
Tell me what you see.
Can you feel my pain?
Am I enemy?
Give us a better way.
Things are really bad.
The only friend I know
is this gun I have.
But listen to the voice. This is not a trend. Hey, you see me night. Are you worried? Them now listen to poor people, you know, brother.
So, me have to real tell the youth to hold them here, cause we have to make Jamaica feel proud.
When Cham say,
on a fire, pan a fool and pan a meal, we're walking a pedophile crowd.
When Cham say,
me have to real tell the youth to hold them here, we have to make Jamaica feel proud.
When Cham say,
on a fire, Moses, you want to say something?
No, hush, no. Are you and Bunty Killer sing? Two, I only have 2 songs together on the rhythm. Sing your song.
Particular give me the originality. Wash a shot if you respect, I love the quality. Listen good and pay attention to me clarity. But house the girl, them say them love me personality.
Me got a foreign and me got me nationality. Me love them money but me not okay body. Me say the fussy them a come with animosity.
Pressure me, but when all they go is sanity. The fire upon a book for me so forgot it. Cocky the ass of a wheel under the ratty. Here's a bit of calorie on organic. Hook man fish on and not a yard man philosophy.
Tell the shot of them full of solidarity. Tell the government free up the weed policy. Our country them feel them in economity.
Check me on the killer with the psychology.
Me and my crew, we're on another level.
Do this.
It's a with a new sound. Wow. Me and my crew, we're on another level. It's with a new sound.
Ladies and gentlemen, excellent performance by BeenieMan, Bounty Killer, Baby Cham and Kiprich. Now people, they're showing the younger youths how a great performance is dealt with people. I definitely enjoy this performance from the great artist people. We need more of this. And you could listen to the content of the songs. They are burning a fire on certain things, people. And if this they happen all along, certain things wouldn't break out. But I'm glad the artists them they back on the part I set certain things straight. Wagwan right now, people. Now people, we've reached the end of another brand new show. If you're not yet a member of this fraternity, please like, subscribe, share this channel, turn on your notification post. Whenever I upload the next episode, you will be notified. Now people, I wish you the best of luck throughout the week. I'm out.